people, just a little adventure today. Day in the life of a farmer, as it were. See if we can jump in one of these machines, that'd be fucking cool, wouldn't it? That's a Claas Lexion 750 and a John Deere, I don't know, not farmer. That's a 6215R. Just give me a thumbs up. How cool is that? It's 10 minutes come in. Yes! I'll be back. Hello. This is cool. Ah, there we go.
Otherwise dust will be everywhere.
We don't want dust everywhere.
So basically, you start in,
Yeah.
press the button, it doesn't give a crap anymore.
And that's it, away you go. It is sliding in the little augers.
I make a nice haircut for you if you want.
Nice haircut, yeah, that'd be good. Say hello, Carl. This is Carl, say hello.
Say hello, Carl.
There's the farm. This is smart. How long does it take to fill up?
We'll go around.
All the way around?
Yep.
Cool.
Or maybe a bit earlier. Because he didn't took everything.
Ah, I see. Oh yeah, there it is coming in the back. That's cool. So with your laser, can you override it? So if you want to turn left, you will.
With this laser, it's a problem. You see the tram lines, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
So if you go angle to the tram line, sometimes you just take the tram line
Ah,
and then he'll follow the tram line.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Rather than where you want it
So
to
you
go.
still, you see this little knob in here. I
Yeah.
switch the laser and then he just go like a.
Ah, I see, yeah.
Whatever happens, you still need to watch what's happening with this because it's just a technology which is not fully perfect.
So smart.
The funny thing is, first combine it's came what 98 or something.
Yeah.
Basically nothing changed as how it works.
Right.
Everything's exactly the same.
Ah.
Only what they did, just smarting up and that's it.
Yeah.
And then making bigger.
Make it bigger, yeah, yeah. Wider headers and stuff.
Yeah.
And then belts instead of augers.
Everything's exactly the same. All the drums, all the safes, everything what's inside, it's exactly
The same. That's well smart.
So I will say say whoever is in government and try to get rid of all the diesel engines, to like for him get rid of on the farm.
Yeah, yeah. And farm's the only place allowed red diesel now.
Actually, only England is allowed.
Really? Because I know they're stopping it on construction.
You're not allowed, for example, to go to Germany, red diesel. You're not allowed to go to Poland. It's only here.
That's your moisture content up there, is it?
Huh? That's a climate control.
When I was talking 17, I thought that was telling you.
That's a moisture, but it's not accurate.
That's on there. I see. My bad. Yeah, that's temperature control for in here. Shows how much I know. And then you bang your beacon on when you want.
When it's 70% charge, it's automatically coming orange lights.
Yeah.
And it's showing for me in here, it's just one beep. When it's coming to 100%, oh sorry.
That's alright.
But you don't mind?
No.
Happening with the farmers, they pretend they're very busy and then they just doesn't take any attention about whatever they do.
Look at the dust coming off that.
Don't worry, we've got two proper cab filters, so...
Cab filters, yeah, so there's nothing coming in here.
Well, you've still got some, but...
Not a lot.
Not a lot.
Oh, this is well cool. Really appreciate it, Carl.
No worries. Come next time you will drive.
I'll drive, yeah.
So when we will be more as an open land.
Yeah.
It's headland, it's always quite shitty thing to do.
Yeah, it's the worst bit.
It's bumpy and then
Right.
you need to watch the header so you don't hit on the soil.
Yeah.
Otherwise you will block everything.
It's not what you want, is it?
About 70%.
That was the noise. Ding!
Yeah.
70%. So, yeah, beacons are on.
It's a brand new truck. Something on fire.
Oh, yeah.
That's what we combine.
Do you reckon?
Yep.
Shit.
Very black, the smoke on the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
That's combine. We'll show the Valtra. And I think when he was not, it's a next door neighbor. Farmer named McGowan, I would say.
Just see the black smoke over there. And there's a shiny new tractor.
Shiny brand new tractor.
Heading this way.
Metallic colour. You don't have this too much of the tractors, metallic.
Right. That's smart.
Now, why you do shiny tractor if they will be dirty in one day?
Dirty in one day?
In 1 hour, actually.
That's, yeah, dirty already. What's this guy's name?
Tom.
Tom. He's on the phone, I think. Showing him the, oh, you can see it a bit better now. So on fire.
Yeah, he knows as well what's happening.
There's a brand new Valtra.
Yeah, pictures.
He's getting photos as well, yeah. He is a farmer from up north.
He's Island of Man.
Isle of Man? Is he?
Yeah.
Oh shit. That's some distance, isn't it?
Yes. Because he study in England and everything. He just want to have some practice on the different farms, how they do it.
Yeah.
Especially his farm, it's more animal farm.
Right.
So,
Like dairy farm or something, yeah. I see what you mean, there's the tram lines going across.
Yeah.
There he is. Pipes out. There we go.
Tomorrow morning, you've got the weights on the wheels.
Oh, put the wheel weights on. Got to take them off.
Because otherwise it just
Sink.
sinking.
Why do you have wheel weights on tractors?
Well, if you've got some heavy jobs,
Yeah.
you will have better grip, and that's what they are.
Ah.
It's just pushing you more to the ground.
Directly on the wheels rather than in front or something.
Especially with the new tyres, you've got better grip.
Yeah. It's all disappearing. This is well cool, mate. Will this fill his whole trailer? Will this one lot fill that trailer?
1.5 times it's a fill trailer. If you're lucky, you'll squeeze 270s. That's it, but you need to be really lucky.
270, yeah.
And be really, good drive on the tractor to fit this.
Yeah. You don't want it all at one end.
Usually you start a bit in the middle to keep the weight of the trailer.
Yeah.
When you put in the middle, you don't put the back. When you do back, you go back again to the middle and fill the front.
I see.
And if you are a skilled tractor driver, you basically, when you're coming next to the combine, you just all over the place to just fill every
Fill it.
single corner on the trailer.
Yeah.
Which that takes a bit of skills, really. Grain carting, the most best job on arms.
Grain carting is.
Yeah.
Right, easy.
Right, imagine, I sit in here, and that's my movement. Right and left, nothing else.
No.
The grain cart, you've got always time for yourself, and you're walking out when you're tipping, you just,
Yeah.
you're moving, you've got something, so you not sit yourself and then it doesn't got any movement. And then right now you park somewhere and then wait 20 minutes for me. And in these 20 minutes you've got time to eat or shed or whatever.
Whatever he wants, yeah. So you'll get this second 70% fill in that trailer. Cool. And there's both the tractors sat over there, waiting.
You see this rust on the side of the trailer?
You are?
On the middle of the trailer you see brown rust.
Oh yeah.
This trailer was on fire.
Was it?
Yeah. Bloke had fire on the trailer and driving did not even realize that his trailer is on fire.
Really? Where was that from?
We was doing ditchings and it's time for cleaning fields for the ploughing.
Yeah.
And then bloke he loaded, all the wood which came out from the ditch, which was burning. He even didn't realize that it's still burning. He loaded this.
Oh. And And then it melted the paint off.
And then it just started burning in the trailer. Right, wait, I'm doing for 3 times, yeah. So 3 times headland.
Yeah.
And after this, you go back, find for yourself some 4th or 5th tram line.
Yeah. Oh, and then cut down the middle.
Cut through the middle, and then work out begin here, begin here, begin here, begin here. So what you're doing, you keep your left always for the cut, so it's space for the grain gun
Yeah.
to cut.
And he's not driving over your crops.
Yeah. When you cut the trim line, the most easier way is, well, some people will take this end and then put on the line in here.
Yeah.
But the most quicker, the most straight path, and even later for the tractor, is when you go exactly dead center.
Yeah.
So tractor later keep the tram line as a tram line for
Yeah.
itself, so it doesn't drive all over the fields.
Yeah. Keeps it good every year. That's the idea.
It's a weight, just when you drive everywhere with the 20 tons,
Yeah.
eventually you will pack the soil and then it doesn't want to grow too much.
Yeah. That's
So
part of
try
what.
keep as close as possible, always same tram lines.
And then lines, yeah.
And to do this, you just go on Google Map. When you're on Google Map, it's showing you exactly where you are.
Yeah.
You just take exactly the same trail line.
Ah. Good that.
Yeah.
When you ain't got GPS in here.
Well, you don't have that proper GPS which will memorize exactly where it was traveling.
Right, yeah.
You've got those, but not on this one because they don't want to spend money.
Yeah.
Because proper GPS system right now for the tractor, you're looking something like 30-40 grand.
Right. Jesus.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah. Especially if you can get by without it.
To fix my GPS,
Yeah.
you're looking right now around 1,200 quid just to come and then do new settings, and that's it.
Really?
Yep.
Shit.
That's why I'm not using GPS, I'm going on a laser. Extra work for the combine. Extra work to work the chopper and
Yeah.
the spreader.
Yeah.
That's, you know, it's coming another 10-20%.
There's Tom and his tractor.
Gently drop the speed. So when you go fast, it's quite difficult for them to
Yeah.
the full load.
Yeah.
So you see on this tractor,
Yeah.
that's a proper GPS system.
Ah, I see. What?
Accurate up to 10 mil.
I see. So they make it look easy when you see it, but it's not really. You can see him stopping and turning left and right.
Yeah.
Getting it all spread. Oh yeah, and slamming on the brakes so that it moves forward. That's us in the combine. Quickly jump in here.
Right, mate.
Yeah, you?
Yeah.
Stu, how you getting on?
Alright, I'm filming, I hope you don't mind.
Yeah, fine.
Is that shut?
No.
There you go. Full trailer of grain. That's been well cool.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah?
Good.
Fucking wicked. The tractor's getting a bit dirty now though.
Yeah, it is, unfortunately. The dust won't do it any favours.
That's wicked, mate.
I'm on his head and something, but...
This is fucking awesome, mate. I'm having a right good time.
Dude, I'm still getting used to this gearbox.
Ah, I see what you mean about the, jumping into gear when you don't want it to and stuff.
Just got a sack.
Feather the
Yes.
accelerator, as it were.
Bad trim for the green, actually, first one of the season.
Yeah, well, he was telling me about good trailer drivers left and right and stopping to fill up. And
Yeah.
I was watching and I was like, yeah, he's left and right and forward and braking and... Oh yeah, this is Tom, by the way. Say hello, Tom.
Oh yeah.
There he is. He said you're from Isle of
Man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Madness. I didn't think you'd come that far. Well, you know.
Yeah, no, born and bred on the Isle of Man. Was away at uni, came down here last year, and then came back down again. Well, when did I leave? 6 months ago or something. So came down to do another harvest.
To the fields of Essex.
Yeah, well, when the weather's nice, like it is today. It's just when it's been shit like the rest of it, unless when it's been cold like the rest of the time.
Well, yeah.
Which is about somewhere.
Richard's in there somewhere.
He's taking a moisture test. This will be interesting.
Watch. we are. One set of harvest. van life of a farmer. Well, afternoon at least. I'd say thank you very much. Cheers, Tom. Yeah, take care. See you later. Thank you, mate. There we have it. Lovely, lovely. He's up again. Thank you very much for that, Richard. Thank you very much. And that was it, everyone. A bit of a different one to usual, but that was a bit of an explore. So thanks for watching. Take care.